Glenn Lewis. I'm an artist in Vancouver, and this is my studio. Tie-dye. I do a lot of things. I studied with Bernard Leach in England in the early 60s, and learned how to make. I was like an apprentice, so you learned how to make production pottery, like plates, bowls, and all kinds of things. And then I got involved with Intermedia, which was a very interesting commune or group of artists who got together, and basically we had places to work and we shared equipment. This is a pot I made in Japan, and it's what they call a chawan, which is a tea bowl. This is typical of the kind of work that they make in Bizen in Japan. And Bizen dates from the 12th century, if you can believe it. And they still use the same clay, the same methods, the same kilns. So when I went there, it was like sticking my foot in the 12th century. It was great in that regard. This is made by wrapping the pot in rice straw. And the rice straw has a lot of silica in it. And it combines with the ashes from the wood firing to form this pattern. Because it burns off, it leaves us these red lines. They're called, in Japanese, it's called hitotsuki. This is kind of nice, the salt shaker, the garlic, and the little goblet. This is Cézanne's jug. Yeah, this comes out of one of his paintings. They have paintings sort of like this. I mean, the jug. It's quite fun doing all this stuff. It takes a while. It took me about 2.5 years to get it all together, all this stuff. See this here? That's that. See, this one is there. I put together, I've had this scale for many years. Maybe I've had it for maybe 50 years. Is that possible? I called it the heavy burden of weightless knowledge. Well, ceramics, they're all made of ceramics, and plus the additions of found things, like the snake I found in Chinatown, and the hat was in a dollar store. You know, and you get a whole package of little hats like that for parties, I think I'm inspired by everyday life, you know, I like walking past the grocery stores. I live up in East Hastings, and the fruit and vegetables are all out on the street, and they're presented sort of like artworks in a sense, you know.